Okay guys, I'm going to try to build me some control grips out of this block of wood. This is a piece of wood that I cut probably 15 years ago, and I've had it in the back drying. So it should be good and stable. I'm going to mill it and make me a pair of control grips. So let's see how this turns out. Probably. Okay guys, you've seen me make these from wood, and basically I've hand sanded them. I didn't video that, that's kind of boring, but here's the shape of the grip. I've got a 3/4 inch diameter hole here. This will fit on top of the 3/4 inch OD aluminum tubing that will be there, and this is drilled all the way up to about right here. Now what I'm going to do is, once I decide which switches to use, I will mount them in here. I'm not sure if I will make a plate to mount the switches. This is probably what I'll do, but you can see this is it's pretty comfortable for my hand. It's got a thumb rest, and most likely, as I fly, I usually fly with just these few fingers right here. So I'll mostly just probably fly like that. So I'm gonna put my push to talk on top, and my trim right in here. But and also I'm gonna put a different finish on it. I'm gonna, but I want to do that very last. But this is a good stable wood to make the controller handles out of. Alright, so I will give a part 2 video for this, but I at least wanted to give you this information so you can see what I've done as far as my control handles. Alright, so keep watching, and there's always something going on with the Cozy build. That right there is my turtleback. I've got a new video up on that. I've been working on that. Tomorrow I'm going to glass the outside of that. Alright, stay tuned, guys.